Hello, everybody, and today we will be discussing about the COVID virus, which is the global epidemic now, and it has claimed so many lives, and this has become a crisis on mankind. So, all is in news, and you all know that. So, today we will go and do some analysis of the data, real life analysis. So, what is this? Is that I have this open this Kaggle.com, and there's a participation going on in Kaggle. So this is I have logged in. I have an account in Kaggle. Please go and create because this is a very good platform of data science community, and various competitions are being held so that you can hone your knowledge of and skills of data science, and you can learn new ways. So when you get into, you join this competition. So I have this my competition and page, and what you go is you go into this data page, and it will explain you the data description that this challenge contains what it has three files, and it has got train, test, CSV, and submission CSV. So these are comma separated files, and these are structured. So you don't have to structure them. The good thing is this: you can simply import these files, load these files, and start working on these files. So what else is there is you can see here that the data source they have taken it from John Hopkins in collaboration with these Kaggle, so that you can come up with analysis. And next thing I will show you that what you do is you go here and you download all, and it will be downloaded as a zip folder. I have already downloaded it, and these three files would be extracted after that. So this is how you make your submission: forecast, confirmed cases, and the fatalities, the deaths, right? So, and also you can go here and see, check the notebooks of various people who have contributed to this for the explanation of the COVID, and you can go and hide and see this. It gives you help in your own work. So I have also done a little analysis, and I am yet to submit my forecast. So I'll show you what I have done. So this is my notebook and COVID analysis. Okay. So what I have done is I have loaded few basic load the basic libraries. Okay. And when you load the basic libraries, pandas, numpy, and for visualization I have used plotly, and plotly it gives a very good representation. I'll show you and we'll see, and I have also uploaded a video for that. Matplotlib, Seaborn, and for plotly I've also taken the subplots and graph objects also, and import warnings so that they do not give me much warning. Then what I have done is I have uploaded these two files, and these files should be in your working directory. That means this is my directory when I open, and in this directory I have this train and test files which have been uploaded. See guys, I've already discussed how to upload these files, and go to upload, and from the folder just double click it, and it will be uploaded. And then go and open your new Jupyter notebook, Python notebook, and start doing your analysis. So then you have got this. I have uploaded this thing, so I can just show you df train.head, and it will just give me the first five values by default, and we see the data as we've got ID, province, state, country, region, date, confirmed cases, and fatalities. Then you have got, let's check the test data in the similar manner, and I will check it dot head. And what do we have in the here? We've got province, state, forecast ID, country, region, and date. Okay. So next thing I will do is you can also check the, let's check, like suppose in the test data test dot tail I can check, and it will give me the last five entries. Sorry, the test dot tail, and this gives me the last entries, five entries. So it's somewhere data like 13,000 and something. So you just go ahead and check the shape of the data dot shape, and this gives me some 25,000 rows and six columns. So 25,000 some rows and six attributes you have. And in the um, df like, okay, so in the df dot test test shape, what is the test size of the test shape? It is 13,456, and for vision for this thing, columns, right? Okay, then let's check if we have any null values. So what we do is we can check for null values, check for null values, and I will convert it into heading 3. Okay, so how do we do this is just write df train dot is null, sorry, dot is null dot sum, and go ahead with this, and you have got an error. Okay, is null dot sum. So I have written it that this, okay, is null also has to be like this. Okay, so we see that in the province state we've got 14,400 some null values. So either we will drop this or we will replace it with some value, right? So let's see. Before fitting in the model, I have to check what we can do. And in the test data, the similar manner, let's just check it. Uh, dot sum, and we have this, like, again in the province state we have null values, rest is same. Now let's just check the data types. So go ahead and the check the data types, and you hit in this, and when you see this vertical blue sign, hit 3, and this will be heading 3. Okay, shift and enter, this will run the code. Next you have df train dot d types, and you can see that we have id as integer and confirmed cases and fatalities as float, rest are object. And similarly you can do it for the test data and the types of this. The, okay, what am I doing? So again you can see that the province, country and date are object, rest is forecast integer. Then you can go for something called df dot df train dot describe, and in this you will get the statistical count, mean, standard deviation, and we have got this like 25,000 some cases, confirmed cases and fatalities are reported, and the minimum and maximum you can just find it out. So the maximum cases for fatalities is like 18,849 deaths, and confirmed cases are in lakhs. Okay, and the maximum ID is also being given here. So next what we can do is, after this describe and this exploring the data set, checking for the null values and checking for your description data types, let's just come to some data visualization. Okay, so I can just write here, let's come to some data visualization. Okay, there's some problem. Okay, yeah. So then for data visualization, I have used this plotly, and in this what I have done is I have taken figure, and in this I have given the command I want to py for this data, and from df train I go and plot this confirmed cases and values, And names, I take this country region, and what I do is I update traces and I want some text inside, right? And the layout is also being given. Now let's see what does it plotting gives you. So this is what my plot looks like. That, and I see that the maximum cases is in China, that is 21.2%, and you can see the confirmed cases over this, and the confirmed cases are somewhere around 5 lakh, 50 lakh 13,260 confirmed cases. So it has peaked, and the time is like from January till April. So it's like 5 lakh, 50 lakh cases. Right? And then you see US, and you've got 46 lakh, for 4 lakh 60,900, and you can say 46,000 cases here, right? Yeah. Then again, you've got Italy, you've got 25,000 cases here. And similarly, you can see with this over different cases, different countries. And so this is what Plotly shows you with different distinctions. And when you scroll down this bar, you can see that it has been plotted for all so many countries. Like India, you can see here India, Pakistan, and so many Philippines, Norway, Sweden, Panama. So you can just, okay, Norway, Australia. You can see the confirmed cases on this thing, right? But still, I cannot find India in this. I found India. See, 54,000 cases in India. Can you see this? 54,000 cases, 54,444 cases reported in India, confirmed cases. Okay, so, and it has given me the text inside of the highest countries, the cases reported. So it's US, the top five. If I want to tell you, it's like China, US, Italy, Spain, Germany, France, Iran, UK, and Switzerland. So similarly, you can track the top 10. It starts, the pie starts like this. So next thing, we come to the cases. Now I wanted to show you the confirmed cases, also the deaths involved in this. So what is it? So this shows me like this. So in the values, I have taken the fatalities, okay, and names is the country region, and in the title it is the COVID fatalities, and the hover data also shows me the confirmed cases. So I can see the confirmed cases here as 0 Italy, but the deaths are like more than 2 lakhs, right? So they have not taken precautionary measures, and see, this was the case of negligence and ignorance that you witness in Italy. And then here in Spain again, just spread it like it just busted. See, okay. So that's what we can see here. Again, if you can scroll down this, you'll be able to see that all the countries, all the country region are being plotted. Okay. So this is what it is, like 25,000 data is being plotted. Okay. So I've just shown you the fatalities. Okay. Now I show you some subplots feature of Plotly, and here is that again I've made the subplot in one row and two columns. That is what I want, and this is what I'll show you now. I don't know what happened, and then what I do is okay, something went wrong in this. So when you go ahead with this, you will see that you find this. I have taken subplot titles also, cases and fatalities, and then I have taken the bar of this, and in x-axis you've got country region, and in y you've got confirmed cases. Similarly, in the second bar, I will say country region and the fatalities. I want to see them, and then I give the layout, and I don't know why it is not coming. Something went wrong with this. So I don't know what's happening. It just got hanged. And I cannot show you this. I don't know what's happening. Okay, fine guys. So because of some technical issues, I don't know what's happening. It is not opening, nor it's closing. So I will have to shut down my Jupyter notebook for now, and we'll continue in the next session. for more data visualization and how do we really go ahead and see more uh, plots by Plotly and Timescale. So stay tuned and keep watching. Participate in this Kaggle competition and submit your predictions, okay? And contribute to the society. Thank you.